J-B Weld brings the world's strongest bond to fiberglass resin. It's ideal for fixing damage on composite and fiberglass surfaces like watercraft and automobiles, or sealing cracks and holes in tubs, showers, and more. It bonds strong and will be dry and sandable in 2 hours. Whether you've used fiberglass resin before or not, repairing something like this personal watercraft will come easy. Add body filler if needed and clean the area with soap and water. Then wipe with a solvent such as acetone. Let dry completely. Next, use 80 grit sandpaper to sand up to 2 inches surrounding the damaged area down to the bare substrate. Be sure to remove the dust. If using fiberglass cloth, pre-cut several pieces to extend 1 to 2 inches beyond the damaged area. Poke a pinhole in the top of the hardener tube and add to the resin per the mixing guidelines. Mix only enough material to use in an 8 to 12 minute working time. Stir the resin and hardener, scraping the sides and bottom to ensure thorough mixing. Brush a coat of resin onto the sanded area. Place the first layer of fiberglass onto the coated surface. Brush more mixed resin onto the fiberglass until saturated. Continue applying additional layers of fiberglass and resin as needed. Let cure for 2 hours at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. For an even smoother finish, you can apply body filler, then sand and paint. Now she's seaworthy again. Learn more at jbweld.com.
J-B Weld, world's strongest